Hi, so how to centre on a small wheel. It's actually not as hard as you think, but I'll teach you how today to do it my way. So start with your little ball of clay and onto your bat it goes. And I throw everything anti-clockwise. You can throw both ways on a small ceramics wheel, a little bit of water on top, and then we need to get that wobbly bit of clay to be symmetrical. So we start, I pretend I've got heavy watches, and my heavy watches I rest onto the wheel. And that anchors me, so it means that I'm not wobbling around, because if I'm wobbling around, then the pot will wobble as well. So anchored down, and then embrace the clay, and you can kind of see I'm just massaging it down, and then massaging it back up again. And what this does is it puts a spiral within the clay, and it gets everything compact as well, so that when your pot's made, it's not going to warp. So up we go. Obviously, that is a baby cucumber, and then down I go again. And can you see each time I go up and down, the actual form becomes more symmetrical, and ideally, from your point of view, that will look like it's not moving at all. It won't have any wobbles in it. You can see I've just put a wobble in, and that's what we want to take out. So centering is where you get it all centered. And so that, I would say, is a centered pot that you can then start, that's your starting point to make anything.